this AI image tool is back again. And yeah, it's completely free now. No VPN, no sketchy downloads. Everything runs directly through Google. And honestly, the new version looks way cleaner. So here's how to use it. Open your browser and search for Google Flow AI. You'll see the official Google Flow site right at the top. Go ahead and open that. If it's your first time using Flow, just create a quick account first. Once you log in, you'll land on a dashboard that looks something like this. Now click on New Project, and here's the interesting part. Whisk AI is now built directly inside Google Flow, so you don't need a separate setup anymore. Head over to the Tools section, then scroll all the way down. You'll see Whisk right here. So yeah, Whisk officially moved into Google Flow. Now just click it, and the interface will open instantly. And honestly, it works pretty much like before. You can still generate images, create consistent characters, and build multiple scenes using the same character style. Now to generate your first image, just type your prompt in the prompt box here. Then hit Generate, and watch this. Within a few seconds, the images are ready. The image quality honestly looks better than before. And the best part, there's no watermark anymore, so you can download everything clean. To save the image, just hit the download button here, and it'll save directly to your gallery or downloads folder. Now there are a couple changes in the settings too. Before, you could manually choose aspect ratios inside the tool, but now that option's gone. So if you want a specific format like 16:9 or 9:16, you'll need to mention it directly inside your prompt. And yeah, that's how Whisk decides the image format now. There's also this Hide Images option here. If you click it, this entire image panel disappears. And if you hit Show Images, everything comes back. Pretty simple. Now let's test consistent character generation, because this part's actually super useful. Before, you could drag and drop characters directly into the workspace. That feature's gone now, but there's a workaround. Go into the Images section here, and you'll see all the images you previously generated. Now just click on any character image, and it automatically gets added to the project. So basically, your saved generations now work as character references. Now let's say you want a second character. Click the plus icon, then hit the pencil option here. Now paste your new prompt and generate again. A few seconds later, your second character is ready too. Now, here's where things get interesting. You can combine both characters together and generate fully consistent scenes. So first, select the characters you want to use, then type the scene prompt you want, and run the generation, and there it is. Both characters now appear together in the same image, while still keeping their original look consistent. And honestly, for a free tool, this workflow is surprisingly smooth. So yeah, you can now generate unlimited high-quality images, create consistent characters, and download everything without watermark, all completely free inside Google Flow. If you're building AI content, faceless videos, or creator projects right now, you should probably test this early. AI creator tools are evolving fast, and honestly, smaller creators have a huge advantage right now. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tools, creator workflows, and tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.